Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll make an Ethiopian beef or lamb tibs. What is tibs? Tibs is the name for one of the color Ethiopian dishes out there. It's a hybrid stir-fry and stew that comes together in an instant. It's meaty, rich, and can be spicy as hell. Served with bread or rice. This is a requested dish from my good friend Ice John Saturday. This dish is shared us by our good friend Layla, who is an Ethiopian. So without further ado, let's begin.
Sia and Sai and more. This is my family. Meet my brother Sai. Then I'm Sia. To inventor cute. Set free. In the Philippines. Like the video. Subscribe. Get notified.
Ingredients and procedure. Beef or lamb. In a mixing bowl, put the beef. Season it with salt, black pepper, mix it well. Mince garlic. Now we are ready to pan fry until golden brown. Put olive oil in a frying pan. I'd like to pan fry the meat first until golden brown because it will add more taste and color to our dish. But if you don't have any patience to fry, you can skip this step. Just let it cook the meat until the water will reduce and fry it by its own. Fry each side until we achieve the desired color. Now this is ready to transfer to the shallow pan. In a pan, put olive oil. Sauté onion. Cook the onion until translucent. With the ginger garlic paste, add fresh tomato, turmeric powder, chili and paprika powder, cinnamon powder, salt to taste, chicken broth, This paste is done. We will transfer this one into the meat. Add calamansi juice into the meat. Then add our own version of spicy paste, Pinoy style. Burberry is a fiery hot spice blend bursting with flavor. It's an Ethiopian spice blend. And because we are in the Philippines, we just recreate our own. Add potatoes and carrots. Mix all together. Add water. Bake now this one in the oven until tender. There you have it guys, our Ethiopian beef or lamb tibs. Thank you for watching.